I think we should go to the dog park. Hey, Rock, what do you think? Think we should go to the dog park? The camera's over there. Look over there. Let's go to the dog park. I have to shit. Oh boy. I think maybe this summer I can find a girlfriend. What do you think? I need to get laid. I need a girlfriend. How about you? Rock, I'm talking to you. Why are you ignoring me? Why are you ignoring me? I need to go to the dog park today. Come on. Go to the dog park with me. You don't like me anymore, do you? I'm begging you, please. Please. Come with me to the dog park. I want to go to the dog park. Come on. Come with me. Yeah, 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 yeah.